There's the income to height ratio, and it is shown in this graph right here. So the top chart is showing how much women's visits to a male's profile. You can see the heights of the men in the bottom and the percentage in which they swipe right on the y-axis. So there's three categories here. There's the um, low income, mid income, and high income, as in like low income is people making 3 to 5 thousand a month, middle income is 8 to 10 thousand a month, and high income is 10 to 20 thousand a month or more. And we have the scale in how tall these men are. So it starts with 166 centimeters all the way to 178 centimeters, which is around 5'10". So we're kind of like excluding the really tall guys above 6 feet. But here's what we see in terms of height. So if you are looking at the graph, it shows that women's height preference is inversely related to their own height. There's three lines that represents a woman as well. The black line represents short woman around 155 centimeters, and medium woman represented in the gray line at 160, and tall woman, which is 165 centimeters, shown in the blue line. Women tend to like shorter, and the higher the income, the more options they seem to have. Here's a graph that shows men's visits to female profiles. And you can see that there are females' profile income shown from low income, middle income, and high income, and the height of them at the bottom. And the lines represents the men that looks at their profile. Generally, it does seem that the taller the woman, the more likely that they are going to go after a taller man with higher income. But what's interesting is that on the blue line right here, you can see that a short woman actually attracts more tall men. So we have shown evidence that short women are crowded out of searching for taller men and into searching for richer men by taller women. And again, we see women's height preference is inversely related to their own height, with short women having the highest intensity preference for mate height, and also that possibly for the sake of acquiring advantages of height and non income associated factors for their children.